Panduit's PanMPO Connector, the world's first MPO connector to offer gender and polarity change in the field, has just gotten even easier to use. The new and improved PanMPO Connector features a toolless mechanism for changing the connector polarity and gender. Gender pins contained inside the connector. A new push-pull boot and complete compatibility with third-party components. The PanMPO connector is FOCIS compliant, accommodates base 8 and base 12 wiring, and is available in single mode and multi-mode variants for trunks, interconnects, harnesses, and pigtails. The push-pull boot also allows you to remove PanMPO from the cassette and pull it out without having to pull on the housing, which can be difficult to grab in high-density environments. Rival MPO connectors require a bulky tool for gender and polarity reversal. Worse yet, the pins have to be stored in a separate case rather than inside the connector itself. In fact, it's quicker to reverse the polarity and gender on the PanMPO than it would be to even find the tools and pins needed for other connectors. With non-Panduit brands, inserting or removing the pins is a multi-step process. By contrast, PanMPO gender reversal is a simple, toolless process. PanMPO integrates its pins and pin extraction mechanism within the connector itself, making it the only connector on the market that can change gender and polarity without a separate tool. To change the polarity, first press down on the tab on one side of the push-pull boot and place the latch on top of the boot. Then turn the boot over and do the same thing on the other side. You can then disengage the boot from the housing and pull it down the cord. Flip the outer housing 180 degrees to reverse the polarity, key up or key down. Then reconnect the push-pull boot to the housing. The gender-reversing PanMPO pin extraction tool is now conveniently integrated into the outer housing. Put the pin tool into the notch and push forward to push the pins outward, thus changing the connector from female to male. Reverse this process to change the connector back to female. The new and improved PanMPO represents a major step forward for MPO connectors. For more information, visit panduit.com.